Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'll help you how to fix TikTok cannot update region. To update account region, you need to meet the following requirements. You have been in United States for at least 90 days. So guys, when you want to change your country or region to United States or any other country or region and facing this type of issue that cannot update region or cannot change your region. So guys, you can easily fix this problem. So let's get started without wasting any time. So guys, first of all, you have to go back on your home screen, and guys, now you need to open your app store here, and here you need to search TikTok. So guys, after searching TikTok, you need to open your TikTok app and you need to update your app if not updated. And guys, after doing update, you need to go back and click on settings. From here, you have to click on general, and guys, now you need to click on VPN and device management. If you have connected any VPN, you need to disconnect that VPN. After doing this, you have to go back. From here, you have to change your region, and guys, after this, you need to go back. And guys, you need to check for software update to latest iOS version. And guys, now you need to scroll it down, and here you will see the option of iPhone storage. And guys, now you need to wait for some seconds here. From here, you have to find TikTok app. You need to open your TikTok app and you need to offload your app. And after doing offload, you need to reinstall again. And guys, after this, your problem will be fixed. So guys, go and change your country or region on your TikTok app. And guys, if still not fix your problem, no need to worry. You have to click on your TikTok and click on your main profile icon, click on three lines and click on settings and privacy. And guys, now you need to scroll right below, click on report a problem here. And guys, after this, you need to wait for some seconds. So guys, as you can see here, and guys, from here you will see the option of account and profile, and you will see the option of edit profile. And guys, now you need to wait for some seconds. And guys, now you will see multiple options here, and guys, you can see the option of others. Click on it. And now you need to click on need more help. And guys, after this, you need to wait for some seconds. And guys, now you need to contact with TikTok support team. You have to tell all the problems that you are facing again and again, and they will review your problem and they will fix your problem. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.